Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is letter or alphabet recognition A to Z for class nursery subject English. So first, objectives. By the end of the lesson, students will be able to recognize the alphabet. Students will be able to identify uppercase and lowercase letters of the alphabet. Students will be able to understand sound words. Now, teaching aids, alphabet flashcards, both uppercase and lowercase, alphabet chart, you can use alphabet song, and objects starting with the letters. Introduction. So, for warm up, start the lesson by singing the alphabet song. Encourage students to sing along, clapping their hands to each letter rhythm. Now, discussion. For letter A, like if you are teaching letter A, so you can ask the name of the students after pointing out that if someone letter starts with A, like his or her name starts with A, so you can point towards him and her, and you can ask students his or her name, and then you will say, "Ki tell me what tell me the name of that student." So students will say, so it should be starting letter should be A. So for the other letter, you can ask what comes after, before, this and that. So you can discuss the with the students, like which letter comes after letter B. So students will say C. So this is discussion. Now for the activity, first alphabet flashcards. Show students flashcard of uppercase and lowercase, like example A. If you are teaching letter A, then show the uppercase and lowercase of the letter A. If you are teaching B, show the uppercase and lowercase B, like this. So, and then you can ask its names aloud. Then teacher will ask students to trace the letter with me using fingers. So you will say like join your two fingers and trace with me. So you have to trace in the flashcards which you have hold in your hand. So the flashcards which you are holding, you can trace that letter with the two fingers, and I will ask students to trace the letter in the air. Then teacher will write the letter on the board, that how you can form a letter. So you will explain the students that how we form the letter, like how we write letter A, letter B. So which letter you are teaching, you have to write it on the board and do it in front of the students, so that they will be able to know how we start and how we end the letter. Like start with the top dot and then slanting line, sleeping line, A, like this you have to teach the student. Next is you also have to tell the phonic sound of that letter. You can sing a small song according to that. Matlab which letter you are teaching, you can use uh, any song of that letter. Now flashcards and objects. So you can show flashcards of the begin letter, like if A, show them 3 4 flashcards of the thing. Example, if you are teaching A, you can show them apple, aeroplane, and uh, any other things that starts with letter A, and introduce with the phonic sound, asking what is this. Then you have to paste on the board, like you can paste every picture, each picture on the board, and can create a small song, like there is an ant eating apple in an aeroplane, like this you can make any song. Letter craft, teacher, you have to give pre-cut large letter uppercase and lowercase, and will ask students to color or decorate them. You can have printing activity by using buds or any other object. So students will print do printing activity on that letter. For interactive, ask students to come up with more words that starts with a letter. Like if you are teaching A, you can provide hints like A is for dash. When you fly in the aeroplane. When you fly in the sky means aeroplane. So the student will answer aeroplane. Airplane. A is for airplane. When you fly in the sky. So airplane is the answer. So you can give these any hint. Now last is conclusion. Review the uppercase and lowercase letter on the whiteboard. Ask the class to name one word that starts with the letter. Sing the alphabet song again and again to highlighting the letter. So this is the lesson plan if you want to teach letters A, B, A to Z. So accordingly you can teach like this. Thank you. Kindly like and subscribe my channel.